Hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Aquarium. So today I am back with a catch cup. I'm back with that same catch cup, and there's like 7 cicadas inside. Like, you remember my first video of cicadas, of tiny cicadas in the catch cup? That was my part 1 video. It had like 6 cicadas. This one has 7 now. I found them on the trampoline. I found like all of them on the trampoline. They were like all over the place. I went out to check the area. Yep, and one of the cicadas I caught in the trampoline escaped. Pretty sure it was that one on there or something like that. So here they are. Don't mind all the noises from the cars and vehicles and stuff, but here they are in the catch cup. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet for a second so you can get a look at these guys. You can watch them fly around. These cicadas are really crazy. Some of them are flying around. All of them, like, look at that one over there. The few of them in the back are crazy. They just want to get out of here. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to release these guys at the end of this video. Once this video maybe hits about pretty much at 3 minutes 50 seconds. That's when I'm going to end the video. And I'm going to release this video. You can watch these guys fly around. Watch them fly around. See? This is how they fly around. They got those wings. Of course, I'll show you how I used the ways I caught these cicadas. I kind of stepped up to them like this with my hands cupped. And then, like that, lightning fast mantis speed catch. That's what I do. That's how I call these cicadas. Once this video hits about 30 minutes, I'm going to release it. Yep, you can see one of the cicadas is climbing on the shell. You can see that one of the cicadas is climbing on the shell right there. And most of them are flying around. And it looks like, look at those two. It looks like they're about to mate. That's so funny. What the devil is this? This is so funny. Maybe once it hits. Okay, here's the cicada. Here, another one is climbing on the cicada shell. That one maybe flew off. That one flew off somewhere. That cicada was on that shell flew somewhere in the back, or maybe flew on that shell. You never even know. Once this video hits about 4 minutes 50 seconds, I gotta release it since I went past that mark. I just want to release it at that time. So let's release it. Here they are. What the devil? One landed on the ground? Oh my god, is that one alive? Yep, it's alive. Well, looks like we just have